This lecture will look at the necessity of spatial agreement between verbs in ASL. In ASL, verbs indicate the subject and the object by the direction they move between these concepts in the signing space. While English is linear in its construction, ASL is three-dimensional. Its sentences live in a 3D signing space. The ASL signing space has some rules. For one, it respects object permanence. If you set up something in the space, it remains there until you move it or change the subject. 2. Signing space is as literal as possible. It tries to represent objects and relations between them realistically. And 3. Remember that the signing space is always oriented to the signer's perspective. The signer's perspective often shifts as the signer describes things. In other words, the signer may zoom in on ideas they wish to emphasize or focus on. Advanced signers have the ability to use DCLs and ICLs simultaneously or interchangeably to show several aspects of a person or event. For example, the signer may describe a house, then go inside and proceed to describe the interior of the home. They expect you to grasp the change in concept. Take special note of signs that indicate a shift in context, whether it be from outdoors to indoors, or far away to very close. Now for some practice. First, let's build a landscape. Use your signing space to set up this environment: an area of mountains, an area of forest, a lake or a stream, a grassy meadow, and a group of deer. Keep your landscape clear inside your mind's eye during this exercise. Practice. Use a person classifier to move a hiker through the terrain. Then use a classifier for the movement of the deer herd. Use a vehicle classifier to show someone driving through the area and parking somewhere. Remember, your layout does not need to match mine. It only needs to remain consistent as you use classifiers to move through it. Think of it like the set of a stage. Please check out these additional videos. They go deeper into the concepts I've explored in this lecture. And Dak Vernig provides us with a signed story that begins with an incredible zooming sequence. Be sure to watch it and enjoy.